Alright, so we're told that we have a quadratic function and we're given 3 points, 0, 7, 1, 0, and 7, 0. And we want to find the equation of the parabola that goes through those 3 points. We're going to use this equation, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, except I'm going to write it as ax squared plus bx plus c equals y. And then I'm going to plug these points in, so I'm going to plug 0 in for x. When I plug 0 in for x, I'm going to get 0 there, c equals 7. Put in math mode. Alright, and then I plug the next point in, x is 1. So I'm going to get a plus b plus c equals 0. Well, a plus b plus c equals 0. And finally I plug in the last point. I plug in x equals 7, so I'm going to have 7 squared, which is 49. 49a plus 7b plus c equals 0 also. Alright, so what that gives me is it gives me a system of equations with 3 variables. Now it's a little weird that this one, a and b, were both 0, but that's okay. You can solve this by hand, or if you want, you can solve on your calculator. To solve on your calculator, you go into the matrix menu. And we're going to edit. And we need it to be 3 by 4 because we have 3 equations and then 4 things across, 49, 7, 1, and 0. So 3 by 4. And then we enter the numbers. 0, 0, 1, 7. And as you can see, I've already entered all the other numbers, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 49, 7, 1, 0. Now, that's why I wrote this equation this way, ax squared plus bx plus c equals y, because when you use your calculator, you've got to have just the numbers on the end. Alright, so to get the answer, go back to matrix, we go over to edit, not edit, I mean math, we go down, down, down here to RREF, which stands for row reduced echelon form. Fancy words there. Matrix, oops, matrix. Wrong button twice, matrix. We want matrix A. So the way this reads, this is A is 1, B is -8, and C is 7. In other words, our answer is y equals, A was 1, so it's going to be 1x squared. B is -8, so minus 8b, and then C is 7. Alright, hope that helps. Let me know if you have more questions.